welcome back to another video. Really short video today. So we're gonna do the headlight restoration on the FRS, which we painted. We're gonna put that on a little, what do you call it, add-on right here.
Yeah.
Check out the video. So yeah, we're gonna do the headlights because my brother thought he wanted it, or he thought he had to buy some headlights. But this, honestly, just something from AutoZone will restore it. We already went and bought the little kit, so we'll show you guys the kit right now. But we already worked on one headlight. This is the right side. Looks pretty bad. So you want your headlights to go from this to this. Stick around. I'm gonna show you how you can do this from the comfort of your own home with a couple tools. So here's the kit. It's what it looks like. I went ahead and put it back together just so I can show you guys how it looks. So it comes with instructions, which I mean, it's pretty easy. It's like 10 steps, but I already know how to do this because I've done it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out the items that it comes with and what you need. Honestly, all you need from your house is a drill, which I know you have one, or your dad has one. So you're gonna go ahead and start off with this one. You're gonna take this 800, no, 500 actually. No, where's the 500? Sorry, 500. You're gonna put that on your little disc that comes with the kit. You can go ahead and put this inside your drill, just like that. To be honest, this one's pretty rough. If your headlights don't look too bad, just go straight to this 800. But if they look pretty yellow, go ahead and do the 500. So you can go ahead and do like 3 light passes with this 500. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and then the 800, and then this 3000. And then you're gonna come back with this cream that they throw in there. So you're gonna take the cream and go ahead and add it to your polishing pad, and then that's gonna be your final step. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I'm gonna skip this step. It's a little rough because the headlights don't look too bad. Alright guys, so after dry sanding with the 800, we're gonna go ahead and move to wet sanding with the 3000, which is this guy right here, 3000. And we're gonna put that one on. This one honestly doesn't feel rough at all. It just feels like a sponge, but it does have some grit to it. And this one, so we're gonna go ahead and wet sand it. It's got a water bottle. I'm going with the headlight. Don't worry, it's not a new water bottle. I'm not wasting like good water. Alright guys, so after a couple passes, the headlight already looks a lot better, and that's without polish. So we removed most of the yellowing off, so now it's just, yeah, pretty much all the yellow. Now it just looks just a little bit dull. So you can remove this one and go ahead and add this 3M foam pad on there. Drop some of the compound, just put a couple dabs on there. I'm not gonna lie, this drill's pretty hot. Maybe that's a little much, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start dabbing it everywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple passes.
That looks hella good.
Wow, they look great. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. Honestly, it looks like a brand new headlight, you guys. For something you can do at home with, you know, at-home tools.
How much was it?
It was like, what, 20, 30 bucks?
30 maybe.
30, and it could do, you have enough sandpaper in there to do at least maybe like 4 different cars.
There's also the 3M one, so
yeah, 3M, the good stuff.
There's also cheaper ones.
Yeah,
ones for like $12. Huh?
Yeah, you can go to Harbor Freight and get like a knockoff.
Yeah.
No, I think it's 3M too, isn't it?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm gonna do this part. Looks like I missed right here. Nice.
Holy cow.
Wow, this looks great. It's a brand new headlight, you guys. Look at that. It feels nice and silky too. Make sure you protect this too. You want to make sure and use a sealer so that way they don't yellow again. All right, guys, so the headlights look sick. They look honestly really, really good. Let's go ahead and install them and we'll show you guys how they look. Just like that, in no more than 20 minutes, we were able to restore the headlights. If you like how it came out, go ahead and comment, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe because we're trying to hit 300 subscribers. And don't forget to check out our other videos, especially the build on this car, see how where it started and how far it's come along. So subscribe and we'll see you guys next time.
Like a bandit, I feel amazing. Hustle like a habit, I cannot change it. Did this for my family, that's my kinfolk. Feel like I can fly, jump right out.